Welcome back. Crime rate in the state has been vacillating in the last 2 years. The number of theft cases came down in 2012 due to increase in detection. Meanwhile, dacoity cases have been at a constant rate due to less detection of criminals. Rape and murder cases have regrettably seen 100% rise. Meanwhile, CM Manohar Parrikar has assured to increase police force and number of police stations in Goa to slash down crime rate.
Here is a brief account on details of number of thefts, dacoities and rapes which took place in the last 2 years. Theft cases increased in the year 2011 by 80. Serious crime cases of murder and rape have seen a 100% rise in 2012 within 6 months as compared to 2011. Murder was increased by 13 cases in 2011. Rape cases increased by 1 and registered cases on murder touched 24 within half year of 2012. Have a look at the detection of crime cases. The detection of theft cases came up in 2011 by 416 and in 2012 by 618. Detection of dacoity cases, however, lowered till 2012. Detection rate of rape and murder cases also rose high by 2012, but by 2012, the figures reached up to half the mark as compared to 2011. Here is the number of suicide cases registered in the state during last 3 years. Have a look. In 2009, 284 cases were registered. 2010, 310 cases. 2011, 289 cases. And 2012, 142 cases up till 30th June. Manohar Parrikar has assured to fetch in one more reserve battalion of 1070 strength. Chief Minister also said that crime detection rate has improved by almost 25%. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Betalbati Panchayat members have alleged that there is no cooperation from the public in collection of garbage. The garbage of Betalbati is collected and illegally burnt in Verna. On the other hand, garbage scattered along the roadside in Serauli is also a problem. It's not lifted by authorities for a long time.
Have a look at this garbage collection. This is happening just opposite the Betalbati Panchayat. The garbage is not being segregated and treated. The contractors engaged by the Panchayat informed that garbage is collected and disposed of at Verna by burning. The question here is, which place is notified to treat or burn garbage in Verna? The garbage is being illegally burnt in Verna.
टाइटन
बिरला क्रॉस है ना, वो जंगल पे लेके जाते हैं
और क्या करते हैं
उधर जलाता है
This is Serauli village. Here the garbage is being scattered along the roadside. The public say authorities have turned a blind eye to the garbage menace. Our reporter Savio Dias for Prudent Media.
Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy has launched the American Hospitality Academy India. Guesto is offering a new range of courses, Diploma in Hospitality Management and Diploma in Culinary Arts. A 2-year program will benefit the students in hospitality and hotel management.
Guesto Academy offers hotel management courses across India through 41 campuses. They have delivered quality education to 2,600 students for the academic year 2011 to 2012. Over 25,000 students have benefited from its academic syllabus and training methodology during last 9 years.
It's a good start for Goa in specific and India at large. We wish that every Goan or Goans interested in hospitality and Indians interested in hospitality make the best option while selecting their career.
The tested and proven methodologies of AHA's hospitality programs aims will help the Indian students aiming to transform their lives and making them a global asset. Our video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
It's time now for a short break for news from sports. When we come back, stay tuned.